wonder where'd be a good place, sis. Well, you don't have very much meat on you. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. All done. See? No one's so bad.
Go on.
film in Russia.
監督の仕事っていうのはもううちにいる時は1年も2年もいるわけですよね。で、本を書きに行ってやった。
彼らはレルス・ウザーラで非常に苦労したんです。1年半も苦労して、そしてあの苦労にその前に自殺を見せ回りましたし、あの人生 All his films come from his home like that.
Yeah, I never heard guitar sound so good.
Yeah, and the great...
You should listen to. It's just called Nero Bloodcat Instruments. How about Turtle Island, Turtle Time?
Never heard of
Is she like orchestral music, with jazz and bluegrass?
it. Sounds good. I think I have some hidden cameras on here, Adam.
You what?
I have hidden cameras on here too.
You do?
I also have that Gin Slick Man guy.
So I got this email from Andrew Bird. Like, I guess I'm on a fan mailing list. I didn't know that because I've never got anything from them before. But they're announcing this contest where, like, if you write an essay about how to stop global warming, they'll give you a ticket to Bonnaroo. But it's only for one day, and it's only like for his act. It's just like that wouldn't even be worth driving down there and staying in the hotel, you know. Not when you can go down to Bloomington and see Andrew Bird like any old time.
I don't think I've been to any concerts this. Well, I've been to John Prine, but that was with my dad. Time you can talk to him when you drive me home.
Okay.
All you'll need is the ticket. That's it. They offer the ticket.
Hey, Adam, what was your recipe?
Fine.
I I don't know.
It's
We're
really
going to get rid of
soft.
mine. She's been peeing all over the house.
I'll have a cat.
Quit climbing. Cattail. Are they?
Fuck you for it's delicious steak. I'd say out of all the steaks I've had my share. That it was probably one of the best. It wasn't too much fat, so it's all like chewy. It was perfect. It sort of accented the steak meat. Good. I'm gonna poop on a trampoline.
Funny, these have been like little bad twins.
That one looks a lot like my cat, actually. Or like when she was a kid.
Do you want some watermelon? No, do you? That was my question. No thanks. Watermelon. It's a nasty little beggar.
What the heck happened over here?
I don't like it.
I know.
I'm so conscious about my teeth now thanks to your girlfriend, Adam. I get it?
No.
Here, you do it. Joking. I've heard perfect things said before, but I think that takes the perfect cake. Oh my god, your tongue is so slobbery. Your tongue is so slobbery.
Yeah, now I get phone.
Don't put that sort of thing on me.
I'm not the Black Knight.
Are you a big old dog? Grumpus. Give me a kiss. Yeah. He loves your beard. He's looking for nipples. Can he sit on you? Yeah. Oh yeah. It's coming out of him. I ain't gotta go. Adam,
I don't know how to.
if I stick this up my urethra,
like
will I
riding
be
a
able to
bike
be
on
on
hands,
camera?
Maybe it's backwards.
Adam, answer the question.
I think it's the same.
If my name was Larry Clark.
What? I guess if your name was Larry Clark.
Probably.
Did I just say Clark? Yeah, I did. I can ride a unicycle.
Get on it.
No, I don't want to. That's as good as it gets. This is too high for me. I'm used to smaller ones. I can't fit my crotch over this. My legs are too short. We feed Barkley caviar and Point Noir wine. Pinot Noir. Black pins. Black pin wine. That's what we feed them.
No, we never had a pet. Haha. I don't get it. You know, like they always say when you go to Chinese food that like they say,
Like once you
they
go.
serve cans.
Because you could tell he acted like that because he doesn't have any friends. That was really sad. Man. Plus, like, I've seen that like almost every single one of that other kid's movies because like he used to.
What else
act.
does he do?
I know he does Drake and Josh right now. That show on Nickelodeon.
Oh yeah. He looks like Jay Leno.
He actually is J Lo.
And like the first thing he does is like grab your arm and like twist it around behind you. And, like, it's
I'm gonna slip.
I've broken my wrist before. I had a big bruise.
I will break.
Let's dance together. Dance? Ian, he won't even dance.
Hey, go run straight out towards the road.
Can I take my shoes off first?
Stay right there.